Water fried at 6 at Grandma's. Pizza.
So much gluten.
Put that in.
Dale, got anything to say? Leo, got anything to say? Okay.
I'm thinking of
All right, 10-4. Hello and welcome to the Honey Pie Holler YouTube channel. If you're watching, I just want to say thank you. We've really loved all the support and kind words from everybody along this journey. And yeah, so anyway, in this video here, we are working on a little stand for our water, which is in a big tote, ISB tote, I think is what they call them. It's 330 gallons, and yeah, it holds a lot of water. So we had to pour a little concrete foundation for it. We tried something before where we just sunk some 4x4s in the dirt with some cement around them, and it did not hold up the tank. So I think this is gonna do a lot better. I guess we'll see.
Leo, come on now.
Leo, open your mouth. Ready? You think I can make it? Maybe yeah?
What?
Ah! Here you go. One more. Leo, ready?
do it to me, Mom. Do it to me.
There you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So close.
You keep hitting me in the head with it.
Alright, no more. No more. You can go in there and eat some.
A little bit more. A little bit less. A little bit less. Down. Down, 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 down.
Okay. Me again. Still working on building the foundation for the water tower. Of course, the kids are right there, hand in hand, right at our side, helping us with everything, holding up boards, handing us tools when we need them. They're very helpful most of the time. Sometimes they're not very helpful, but at the end of the day, they do a lot, and they put up with a lot from us, honestly. Some days we keep them out there for 6 to 8 hours, and you know, if I was them, I might get a little frustrated too. So, you know, kudos to them for sticking with us on this crazy little journey. Yeah, I'm not much of a talker. Henry's really the talker, but he's working, so here I am just trying to finish our video so we can put it out there for all you amazing YouTube fans. and fans that are anywhere else that are watching and following along. So, peace. Until next time. Oh look, I'm back again. Here we are filling up this tractor with some rocks to add to the foundation so we won't have to use so much concrete, which we ended up having to use 9 bags anyway, and it was not enough, so it was barely enough. So yeah, and a butterfly.
Leah, look how many trees I cut it down, Mom.
Leo, stop. Fifu.
Hello. Peace out.
No, she's not.
When assembling gutters, it's best to know what you're doing.
Do you know what you're doing?
No.
Track holder.
Back all this.
Do you need caulk too? Caulk too?
Up. I was born a wild child.
You're supposed to say action.
I don't.
Hello there. This is me and Leo with another voiceover. And in this video, we are hanging some gutters. We had to use, not right now. We had to use our old trusty tractor. I guess we didn't have to, but it's kind of fun and it feels a lot more safe than standing on a ladder. So anyways, yeah, we hung up these gutters, which proved to be a little bit difficult because we did not have the camper leveled exactly right. So we just kind of had to go at a downward angle, as we had to eyeball it, I guess. We couldn't use the level to see if we were getting it right. So yeah, it worked though. It ended up all working out just fine. We caught some water, and yeah. So enjoy the rest of this video. We hang up the rest of the gutters. Peace out. So peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Girl Scout.
Up. In memory of Harambe, we used gorilla caulk,
Caulk.
and now it's all over me. And I don't know what to do. Tried rubbing dirt on it, but to no avail.
Daddy!
What the hell?
Ah!
It's a coming. We gotta put some caulk in here. A little bit's going in. Yeah.
Good morning. Well, here in Kentucky, we had our first rain in about, I don't know, a long time. So we had this thing all set up, ready to rock and roll. And this morning, I had this thought. I can't remember if I closed the faucet part. So hell, it rained all morning. And I come down here, and I left the thing open. What the hell? But we managed to catch a little bit. Damn it, man.
You made it fall over. Whoa, what do you have to say for yourself?
Huh?
What do you have to say for yourself? Huh? You're gonna break it, okay? We don't want to break it.
Cheese.
Good thing you're so cute.
I think.
And you already know that I am stopping.
Mom. Supposed to do it right here.
It's all crooked now.
Huh?
It's all crooked now. Here, I need you to come out of this little hole, okay?
Why?
Well, because I need to scoot it back a little bit. So we can actually see what's going on. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, don't mess with it, okay?
Can I do it? Can I mark now?
92.
Get it, bub. You cutie patootie.
It's hard to shake. It's less.
It's what?
It's less.
Oh, nice. Alright, leave it alone now. We'll show you later, okay? You'll get to see it all.
Plywood.
What?
Double check. Double check my measurements. I got it though.
Mom, if ticks get on my blood,
Yeah.
yeah, they suck blood on.
That's it.
Have you had a tick on you?
Huh?
Have you had any ticks on you? What about before, days ago?
Yep.
Where?
I have some on my balls. Right here.
It's true.
Okay. On the top. No, on the top.
Hey.
Leo's the popper. You can be the next popper, Sissy. We gotta do another one too, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Circular saw. Look at all this water we got. Ooh. Can you see it?
Can you see it? Yes, out.
That's probably 50 gallons of water.
50.
How big is that thing?
300.
That's probably 100 gallons of water. Caught in one day.
Well,
Let me
we would have had more.
What'd you say?
We would have had more if I wasn't a forgetful Fanny.
Oh my fucking daddy!
Look at all that water, sister.
Holy
You can wash your hands over there now.
You probably take 1/2 of a bath.
I am gonna wash.
Whole bath. Hey guys, back again. This video we're putting the floor, subfloor I guess you call it, on the loft area, which is going to be where Leo and Delilah sleep. I'm not entirely sure how that's going to work out, but they seem pretty excited about it right now. I guess we will see once we move into this very small camper tiny home. It's definitely going to be interesting to see how y'all fit in there, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. The video is about to wrap up here in a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed and come back for more. Our fire has burnt out almost.
Leo, what do you got to say? Work day is over. We'll see you next time.